Alright, it's the early morning here in Atlanta, and welcome to another episode of The Worst Unboxer on Planet Earth. Today we got a package from the film festival circuit. So, let's see what we got. We did pretty well so far. Alright, we got winner of the best comedy short for Happy World. Another winner, best comedy short, Happy World, won Houston and Austin. And then our feature script, The Pig Farmer, came in second at both festivals. And then a TV show called The Stuntman, about Stuntman. One came in third and the other came in fourth. So, did pretty well. 2 wins, 2 number 2s, a 3 and a 4 on 6 projects. Alright. Thank you, Film Festival Circuit. We're going to keep plowing away.